testing version 496.
Patience. You need patience. It takes 1 minute in black screen, 30 seconds on the next screen, 30 seconds on the next one. After 2 minutes, you finally can work. And then it crashes. Regular characters seem to work normal. Yeah, very normal. Deleting the speech bubbles is difficult because the delete button doesn't come very often.
It's always better to do your comics at once. If you have 6 frames and you want to edit them, you will have problems with share, preview, and previous buttons. Exporting times is about 2 minutes for 10 frames. A new feature? Ads were back in version 471. Watching ads is not free. They sold your information. As the app is exporting, the phone gets overheated. Version 496 is not working well. It has more issues than the previous ones, and we should go back to 480. Thank you for watching.